Hello, Namaste, welcome back to WinTrader. In this today's video, I am going to show you the live performance of our software running version 8.1, how our software is supported in Forex trading. For that, I open EUR AUD, that is Euro versus Australian dollar. And you can see this in this version the green up arrow is a buy signal and the red down arrow is a sell signal. So these are the automatic signals, means whenever software generate a buy or sell signal, there is alert message will display in your screen with the sound of it. So it's in this alert message you can find that entry point, means if it is a buy signal then you can find the buy price here, and if it is sell signal then the sell price will display here in this alert message. But before taking the position, if it is buy or sell signal, you have to check whether the signal is confirm or not. Confirmation means checking the confirmation is very easy. Confirmation means if it is a buy signal, the first and main confirmation below you can see price in buy zone. The price should be in buy zone. That is the first and main confirmation. First the arrow will come. If it is buy signal, green arrow will come. After that, if it is buy signal, the first confirmation below, it will display here like price in buy zone, and the second confirmation is bar confirmation. Bar confirmation means on below the arrow you can see this is a bar, and that is our confirmation bar. That bar should be in the same color of the signal. It means if it is a buy signal, then the bar should be in green color. If it is not confirmed at that level, then you have to wait for 1 or 2. Means if it is confirming after 1 or 2 candles, then you can enter with that level. You can say we got a buy signal here. That time it was not confirmed because on below bar, that below bar was not confirmed. So we have to wait for 1 or 2 candles, and we got a confirmation on this level. So you can enter with that level. So you have to wait for the 2 confirmation. First confirmation price in buy zone, and the second is the bar confirmation. If these 2 confirmations are okay, then you can enter with the market level. So once you enter in the market, on below you can see the stop loss and it's a trailing stop loss, and on left side you can see the target 1 and 2 and 3. There are 3 targets. For example, we enter in the market and we exit with our target. After we exit from the market, if the market is trending in our market, then the signal will continue after hitting our target. Like this, you can see in this signal, we already got a buy signal and it will already hit the target. 3 target has been achieved and is continuing with the same trend. That time software gives a re-entry option. Re-entry means software gives a separate entry point and a separate target. So if you want, then you can re-enter with that level and you can exit with that target. Currently you can see we got a re-entry at 1.6017. So if you want, then you can re-enter with that level. So if you are not preferring re-entry, then you can wait for the next fresh sell signal. And you can see in this version, you can see some others colors in the candle. You can see some others colors are displayed like orange colors, white candles, light blue and orange. Light blue and orange candles will be there. Means the normal candles colors are red and green. If it is buy signal, then the bull candle then is all green colors, and if it is bear candles, then is all red. So apart from these 2 colors, you can see some others colors. These are the indication of sideways. Means if the market is going sideways, then automatically software will change the colors of the bar. So it's giving an indication that is market is going sideways. And in this version you can see there's red stars, and on below you can see blue stars. These red stars are the resistance level of the market. If you put your cursor on below on that red stars, you can see that resistance level. Likewise you can put your cursor on that blue stars, then it shows the support level. So resistance support will display in this chart. And this is our running scanner 1.2 version. You can add whatever pairs you want to add. You can add it in this scanner. And right now it's all live market. I'm giving a live performance in live demo in this running market. And if there is any doubt, or if you want a live demo, then you can directly contact me. My name is Ganga and my number is 9061973737. I have a WhatsApp in this number, and it's the official WhatsApp. You can message me also. And if you have any doubts, you can directly call or message me. Otherwise, you can log into our website www.wintradersoft.com. And thank you for watching my video.